Welcome to China Connect, your fun guide to real China. Explore and uncover its intriguing stories. Let's go. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the intersection of China's economic trends, digital innovation, and new consumption patterns. You might ask, why is this important? Well, hold on to your socks, because we are about to embark on a journey that will reveal the pulse of China's economic heart and the digital blood that courses through its veins. Let's start with the recent Politburo meeting led by the Central Committee. As dry as that might sound, let me tell you, it was like a blockbuster movie for economic buffs. The committee underlined the need to expand domestic demand, boost consumption of bulk goods, support the real economy, and promote private investment. But what's the golden thread tying all this together? You guessed it, consumption. Now, it's not that domestic residents can't afford to consume. No, the problem is, the current supply side, that's the products and services, isn't quite hitting the mark. The result? A lack of confidence in consumption. So what's the solution? Digital innovation. Companies are leveraging digital means to uncover consumption potential and foster niche consumer markets. It's like Sherlock Holmes with a MacBook, uncovering the hidden potential of China's economy. They also look forward to the government's support in areas like platform building, standard setting, and expanding consumption scenarios. Take, for example, Chen Xiaoke, the founder of Meta.ex Wenjun technology. An old hand in the digital creative industries, Chen has taken note of the Politburo meeting's focus on promoting the integration of the digital economy with advanced manufacturing and modern services. Chen raises a very pertinent question: with manufacturing efficiency elevated, enabling more efficient production of consumer goods, who will consume them? It's a bit like baking a mountain of cookies, but having no one to eat them. Chen suggests it's not just about what products companies have, but what kinds of products the consumers need. It's about efficacy rather than just efficiency. Imagine a world where companies aren't just thinking about cutting costs, but enhancing value for the consumers. The Chinese, Chen believes, have the capacity to consume. This is evident from rising household savings and growth in sectors like tourism and education. To meet the demand, the supply side needs to offer better products, even to the extent of creating consumption demand. In the past, China relied heavily on major projects and infrastructure build-ups. These generated impressive incremental numbers. But the consumption's share of GDP still remains low. This means that there is a vast untapped potential in niche markets. To illustrate, Chen uses the example of the barbecue industry. It may seem insignificant, but with top-down local government promotion and support in Zibo, it has not only expanded the barbecue business, but also driven tourism and cultural consumption. From a digital economy perspective, digitalization should combine with consumer products and consumption scenarios. This means empowering industries like culture, tourism, entertainment, education, and services with digital technologies. For instance, why can't parks and scenic spots incorporate more digital, metaverse technologies and content? Providing visitors more consumption scenarios and willingness to spend. Meta.ex, with its years of accumulated technologies and marketing resources, is developing metaverse application scenarios catering to consumption needs. These include culture and tourism metaverse, new retail metaverse, city metaverse, and industrial metaverse. In the new retail metaverse, Meta.ex is redefining retail models using 3D scenes, 3D product display, delivering immersive visual marketing experiences. It's like stepping into a 3D world to shop for your favorite products. This has been applied in industries like jewelry, watches, automobiles, and home appliances. On the other hand, we have Hong Kong entrepreneur Deng Wenjun, whose startup Creative Dragon Intelligent Technology focuses on AR, augmented reality, technology applications. His experience has been different. Despite expecting a boost in consumption confidence with COVID policy adjustments and the resumption of cross-border travel, His business has seen a decline. However, Deng has proven to be a ninja at hedging business risks. He expanded into industries outside of IT, such as corporate incubation services for Hong Kong companies looking to develop in mainland Guangdong. Deng hopes government departments can increase procurement to drive social consumption. He also looks forward to more targeted measures, especially for startups. With many rent-free policies introduced by local governments set to expire soon, he hopes for appropriate extensions to help companies navigate these challenging times. So, there we have it. A deep dive into the digital landscape of China's economy. It's clear that the future of China's economy lies in producing better, not just more, through understanding and responding to consumer needs in a more nuanced, digitally savvy way. It's a wild, exhilarating ride at the forefront of this digital revolution. So, buckle up, hold on tight, and let's see where this journey takes us next. Join us again next time on China Connect, where we continue to explore the fascinating world of China's economy and digital innovation. Before we sign off, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound implications of this digital shift. As businesses continue to ride the digital wave, they're not just changing how they operate, they're redefining the very landscapes they inhabit. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an economic nerd, an entrepreneur, or just a curious observer, stay tuned. The future is digital, and it's unfolding right here, in China. Thanks for joining our China journey. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your questions or ideas below. Let's keep exploring this fascinating nation together. See you in the next video.